Hermeus is making waves in the hypersonic aircraft world. They've started testing the Pratt Whitney F100 engine, the powerhouse behind their Quarterhorse Mk2 prototype. This isn't just any engine. It's been outfitted with Hermeus' patented Precooler technology, a key component in their quest to break speed records. Imagine outrunning the legendary SR-71 Blackbird. That's the goal. Instead of a single prototype, Hermeus is developing a series of aircraft, each designed to tackle different aspects of hypersonic flight. Mk0 doesn't fly but taxis, perfect for ground testing. Mk1 designed for takeoff and landing, allowing flight tests to begin early. Mk2 supersonic flight capabilities, paving the way for hypersonic speeds. The challenge? Creating an engine that not only hits supersonic speeds but also transitions smoothly to hypersonic flight. The F100 engine, tested with a Precooler at an Air Force base, is a crucial step. This setup ensures the engine stays cool and efficient, even at speeds above Mach 2.5. Next up, testing various loads to gather data for the Hermeus Chimera Turbine Combined Cycle (TBCC) engine. This innovative engine will use a conventional turbine for initial acceleration, then morph into a ramjet to exceed Mach 5. Airjet engines are critical to Hermeus' efforts to streamline hypersonic aircraft, says Hermeus co-founder and CTO Glenn Case. By developing a full-range hypersonic engine, we're setting the stage for aircraft that can take off from a regular runway and zoom to hypersonic speeds. Stay tuned for more updates on this groundbreaking journey into the future of aviation.